Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm in Udaipur and I'm here for some work and I'll be here for about 5-6 days और मैं इसको vlog भी कर रही हूँ, so do expect like a Rajasthan vlog coming up really soon. And as of now अभी मैं ready होने वाली हूँ. I'm going to do my makeup and hair and I'm going to be doing like a smoky eye look, so I decided to like film it and I'm going to be doing a step-by-step makeup with you all. So now without wasting any more time, let's just quickly get started. Before doing my makeup, I want to clean my face and prep it. So here I'm using the Wow Skin Sciences Apple Cider Vinegar Foaming Face Wash. It has got like a very gentle formulation, yet it thoroughly cleanses my face. And it also comes up with this built-in face brush for deep cleansing. And as we all know, Wow Skin Sciences is an Indian brand which produces paraben-free, silicone-free and sulfate-free products. So all in all, it brings goodness for your skin. And also all of their products are dermatologically tested, so they are quite good for sensitive skin type as well. Also, the best part is that now all Wow Skin Sciences products come up with a unique QR code mentioned over them. So you can easily check out for the authenticity of the products as well. And now after washing my face, I need to use a moisturizer. And here I'm using the apple cider vinegar oil-free face moisturizer. Now this is like a very hydrating moisturizer. You require just a tiny bit of it. And it is also infused with hyaluronic acid and beetroot extracts, so it gives your skin like a velvety matte sort of a feeling, yet it's like non-greasy as well. So I personally like to use both of these in a combination and it works pretty well for my skin. So you can also purchase all the Wow Skin Sciences products from Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, and also you can purchase it from the official website of Wow as well. And you can get huge discounts if you purchase it from their official website. And now once my skincare is done, let's move on to the makeup. Guys, I'm really sorry. मेरे कैमरा का बैटरी डेड हो गया है and I had to switch to my phone. But anyways, continuing with the makeup. Now I'll be applying the blush and done with the makeup look. And I'll be doing my hair right now.